What's up guys, it's RJ. Welcome back to the channel and I am sorry for my absence. I've been under the weather, kid got me sick, whole long story. Honestly, might have not made a difference though, because I ordered these the day they came out and the following days, and just several pairs, trying to get a pair as quick as possible, and all of them were delayed. Finish Line, Concepts, Packer, Adidas, all of them. I got pairs from all of them, and all of them were delayed for whatever reason. Probably not their fault, more the fault of FedEx and UPS. Nonetheless though, they're here, the long-awaited Ivy Park Ultraboost collab. Obviously Beyonce owning Ivy Park. They collabed up, joined forces. It was a long time in the making. I think they first announced this sometime early 2019, and then it finally came to fruition, and the first capsule collection, whatever you want to call it, is finally here. I was stoked when the Ultraboost was announced. I've got huge plans for a custom that we'll discuss at a later date, because it's probably gonna take me a long time to actually get to that and learn everything that goes into that. Nonetheless though, we've got the Ultraboost. They're here. I wanna break them out and I wanna share them with you guys, give you my full thoughts. A lot of people were like, that's a girl shoe. And it obviously was made by Beyonce, and I don't care. I don't care if it's a women's shoe, a men's shoe, a kid's shoe, a whatever shoe. I like it. I think it looks dope. I think the colorway is phenomenal. And I've got two pairs. I'm keeping them both. So anyway, got a lot of pairs, but some are going. Anyways, here they are right here in all their glory. This is the pair from Finish Line. The other pair that I'm keeping is on my feet right now, but figured I'd break these out, show you guys everything from the unboxing, everything. So there was a sleeve that came on the box, just a white sleeve, slipped right out. Really no need to share that part. Here you've got the box right here, full white. If you can see the embossed or debossed Ivy Park branding right there on the side of the box. Ivy Park, flip side, Adidas. There's your size tag right there. IVP, Ivy Park, Ultraboost, 10.5. Talk about sizing in a little bit. For those of you who care, style code is FX3163. Get to that in a minute as well. White box, slides open like so. All right, so fresh out of the box, there's the left and here's the right. And you guys saw this notorious hang tag, whatever you guys wanna call it right here, strap. Probably like inspired a little bit by Virgil and everything he does with the zip tie. Nonetheless though, big old strap on the back, clipped on. Talk about this in a little bit, all the accessories and all the additions from a typical Ultraboost. But there's your Ivy Park strap. I'm gonna review the left shoe so we don't have to go with taking this piece off, because it's a little bit of a pain if I'm being honest. All right, let's go ahead and bust this tag off of here. No need to have that on while we're going through all of this. So here you have them once again. And the big reason right out of the box, no pun intended, the reason I picked these up is because I've always been a gigantic fan of the original 1.0 burgundies that came out. And while this is not the same upper, it's a very similar upper in a sense that it is a burgundy base. It is a 1.0 pattern. However, the originals had orange almost layered through underneath, like underneath the main prime knit, there was like an orange layer or sprinkle addition, whatever you want to call it, underneath. This pair does not have that. For those of you who think you're picking up the OGs with a little bit of additions, not the case. This is a complete burgundy base. There's no other color throughout. So let's just get that clear. 1.0 knit pattern all throughout. Awesome, amazing. That is, every Ultraboost from here on out needs to have the 1.0 pattern. All the other patterns, in my opinion, suck. The 2.0 was okay because it opened the door for different colorways and different schemes to be applied. All the other ones, just in my opinion, garbage. There are a few like randoms that have come out, collaborations and consortium drops that are dope, like the SNSs and the DNAs that I did recently. Those are cool because they're like almost one-offs or just a little different and unique in their own aspect. 3s and 4s. So obviously we touched on the upper, full 1.0 upper. Come over here, you've got a full burgundy cage, both lateral and medial portions of the shoe. Burgundy heel cup. You've got Ivy Park branding in place of the original Ultraboost branding right there. I don't know that we've seen this done ever before. I'm really trying to run through like the Rolodex of Ultraboost. I don't think we've seen any other branding right here. And I know I'm gonna hiccup and think later and go, damn it, we did. As of right now, it's unique nonetheless. So we'll leave it at that. How's that? We'll come back to the back portion of the shoe. You've got a little bit of a pull strap back here, almost a braided pull strap, burgundy, little hits of white throughout. Cool addition. If anything, that's the most feminine part of the shoe. I'm cool with it. I think it's dope. I don't mind it. Doesn't bother me even in the slightest. Heading back up to the laces, awesome laces. Same burgundy hits. You got the same white little, they're almost like a gray, almost like a 3M sprinkle throughout, or hits, call them hits. You've obviously got uniqueness in the laces as well. So they're capped off in the end, so they're not removable unless you pull that cap off. And then you've got the ability to adjust them out if you so please. I went all the way out on my pair. You'll see them on the on foot, all the way out. Open these up a little bit, just give your foot a little bit of room to breathe, because obviously they don't need to be laced up. Even if you're running, I don't really lace up my Ultraboost all that tight. Another thing to mention is the leather tongue addition, tongue tag, whatever you want to call it. This side has the Adidas Performance logo, as does the alternate side. If I was them, I would have put Ivy Park branding on the alternate shoe, but that's just me. You do have a removable insole, burgundy layering, Adidas Ivy Park co-branding, as per usual with a collaboration. Heading south on the shoe to the midsole, you've got your typical Ultraboost Boost midsole. Nothing new, nothing crazy. However, it is layered in burgundy paint to match the entire shoe. Once again, this is paint. Look at the outsole, you will see that it is white Boost, painted, layered, covered, whatever you want to call it. It's a burgundy Boost midsole. Head down to the bottom of the shoe, you've got a bright, almost solar orange. I don't really have another name for it. Let's call it solar orange for lack of better verbiage right now. Continental branded rubber outsole. Once again, you can see all that white Boost shining through all the openings and windows in the Continental rubber. You got your typical Ultraboost torsion system right here, capped off in orange. Again, we always take a look at this little hit underneath the heel, part of the torsion system or torsion fork. That little cap right there is orange as well to match the bottom. And as far as the breakdown goes, that's pretty much your Ivy Park Ultraboost. I think they're amazing, man. I really don't have anything else to say. I know a lot of people are hating on them. They're saying that it's too little too late. I don't give a damn. Keep bringing them, keep bringing the heat, I'm with it. I'm an Ultraboost fan at heart, I love them, I'm a diehard, I'm a fanboy. So we'll just leave it at that. I'm obviously stoked on them. I hope that I hope I can produce what I want to produce with the custom, and some of you will probably figure it out, and if you do, leave it in the comments, and I'm still not gonna let you know, because I'm gonna wait till I do it. So we'll leave it at that for now. As far as pricing goes, 200 bucks, pretty typical for a collaboration. Base price, general releases are 180 bucks. They usually hike that up just a little bit, especially when big names like Beyonce are involved. So 20 bucks above general release, 200 bucks USD. As far as sizing goes, go true to size. If anything, if you have a narrow foot or a thick foot, fat foot, whatever you want to call it, go up half a size. I wouldn't go up any more than that. Definitely do not go down though. They will be way too snug. It fits like a typical 1.0 for those of you who have been in the game for a bit and know Ultraboost sizing. And other than that, comfort, it's an Ultraboost, man. 8, 9, 10 out of 10, whatever you want to call it. Ridiculously comfortable. I love me some Ultraboost, and I love these. Guys, that's gonna do it. I appreciate each and every one of you who check out the videos. If you haven't already, hit the thumbs up. And if you're brand new to the channel, do me a quick favor, tap the subscribe button, hit the little bell, get a notification anytime I drop anything on this channel. Guys, that's gonna do it for me. I appreciate you. I will throw these on feet right now and give you guys a better look at them. Thanks so much. Until next time, I'm RJ. Peace out.